Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Perry with Van Dyke, and we have here Matt Collins with Matt Collins EXP. We are here to talk about the market today and wants versus needs. So, right, you have this list of things that you really want in a house, but you also have things that you really need in a house. So, how likely is it that you're going to get both?
Yeah, so it kind of comes down to flexibility versus time, right? So there's a few intangible things that maybe are absolutely on that have to have. So we can change a lot of things with a house, but we can't change location, and it's sometimes pretty difficult to change the size,
Yeah,
right?
true.
So, but everything else within the house can be updated. So the more flexible we are with that, the faster we're going to find that perfect house for you. So, as long as we're not too rigid, then the likelihood is you're going to be able to find a perfect home. Now, if our have to have must haves is 50 items long, we might be waiting for a little bit,
Yeah,
right?
true.
But if time becomes more important than those necessities, then a little bit of flexibility will go a long way.
Sure.
So.
Which makes sense. So thank you very much for chatting about that for just a few minutes. Please like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next time.